Guys, appreciate y'all tuning in with the current situation in the world today. We're going to try everything in our power to save money. So what have we done here locally and at my house? We're going to make it fun. We have built and added a fire pit to the backyard. We're going to bring camping to the house. Got some wood piled up over here. The dog's curious what's going on. We're gonna get some wood and get a fire started, cook up some dinner. Saving money. I hope you're all safe out there. I hope you're listening to the warnings. Now, if there's one thing we got in abundance around here in my yard is oak trees and limbs falling all the time. So I believe we can capitalize on this. Should be able to cook a meal for free. Now we're going to start out, that's dryer lint. And then utilizing these tiny oak twigs, we should be able to hit this with a ferro rod and get it going pretty good. Smallest possible right here in the beginning. Just to get us a base. Let's see what we can get going here. There we go. The dryer lint really likes that spark. Alright guys, we're starting to work on a coal bed now. I'm going to step inside, get the chicken, see if we can get it on. We're going to go ahead and start putting some chicken on. Continue to put it around the edge to start with. Go and get a good bed of coal going. That'll let me keep adding wood to the center, making more coals. You never want to touch your chicken unless you have the ability to wash your hands real good, so it's just easier to use the tongs. Go. I'll take it nice and slow. Guys, just because you're stuck at home doesn't mean you can't enjoy the great outdoors. It's a good time to teach your kids. Can't get out camping. Turn your backyard into a camp. Turn your living room into a camp. Guys, what do you think? Nice slow cooking over an oak wood fire right here in the backyard. We live in the city. But luckily our city has an ordinance that says you can cook out or have a fire for cooking and heat. So we're going to take advantage and see if we can save $1 or $2 on electricity. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. We are definitely trying to make the best of a bad situation. Alright guys, we're getting close to time. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Sweet Baby Ray's, but if they'll reach out to me, you know, we might can work something out. Anyway, meat thermometer. Pick it up at any Walmart. We get ours from Sam's. The ones they use in the restaurant. And if you're going to cook chicken or pork on an open fire, I advise you to get one to check the internal temperature. Because even though it may look done on the outside, it does not mean that it's reached an internal temperature that's acceptable. Now we're watching this one climb. She's going right on up. We'll check a couple of the thickest pieces. And then I'll show y'all an up-close shot of what we got. Yeah, you want your chicken internal temperature about 165. We're at 170 right now. I don't know if y'all can see that with the glare, but it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Now we're going to start on the underneath side. Then we'll flip it and let it slow bake on. Get it all up in there. We'll take the tongs in a minute and I'll spread her around. Alright guys, we're going to do a little rotation. Of course, some of that sauce is going to drip into the fire. It's going to be alright.
You want me to get everybody's plate?
No, baby, get me a big plate to put them all on. Got the daughter out here in the sunshine, watching Daddy cook, helping out. Go ahead and get us a good coating on this top. That's gonna be good. So good. You can. Hold on.
Smoking everywhere.
You can go on that side of the fire. I got to sit the camera up. My daughter wants to say, hey guys. Right over there. There you go. That's Allie. You're learning about cooking, ain't you? Learning more than you learn at school, wouldn't you? All right. Guys, get out there and teach your kids something while you got them hungry. Take that inside. Yeah, this is a perfect opportunity to get out there, spend some time with your kids, teach them something. Alright, we're going to let that slow bake on. I'm sure some of it will get charred a little bit. We'll bring y'all back in a minute. Let that cook on there. We'll take it off the grill, put it on the plate. Again, we appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.
Gonna have to have a bigger plate. That's a whole lot of chicken. See y'all next time. Take that inside, please. Bring me. Oh, never mind. Never mind.